Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a league in the NFL Fantasy app. Let's get started. 1. Open the NFL Fantasy app. Launch the app and head to the homepage. 2. Create your league. On the homepage, you'll see the option to create a league. Tap on it, then enter a league name and password to create your league. 3. Invite friends or open the league to the public. To invite friends, tap Invite Friends and share the invite link with them. To allow random players to join, use the Publish League option to make your league available for others to join. 4. Customize draft settings. Navigate to the Manage League section to adjust your draft preferences. Set the draft type, offline, live, etc. Pick a draft day. Note, the league must be full before you can set the draft day. 5. Adjust league size. In the Teams page, you can change the number of teams in your league. Options include an 8-team, 10-team, or 14-team league, among others. And that's it. Your NFL Fantasy League is ready to go. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment. Good luck with your league, and I'll see you in the next video.